Hi everyone, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Thursday, the 10th of December. My name is Tamer.
My name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting with the Euro-Yen analysis.
Euro slid down against the Japanese yen on Thursday, decreasing the price of the Euro-Yen pair to less than 126, ahead of the release of European Central Bank interest rate decision news. The technical bias remained bullish since the Euro-Yen pair printed a higher high in the recent upside move.
Okay, this pair, the Euro-Yen, is currently trading around the 125.89. This might come across the following support levels. Looking at the chart closely, we can see the Euro-Yen support 1 is at 125.34, which is the lower trend line arm. Second support is at 124.98, which is the 61.8% Fibonacci level. And finally, the third support is at 124 even, a psychological number.
And on the upside, the price of the Euro-Yen pair is likely to hit a few critical resistance levels. The first resistance level will be 126.64, which is the trend line resistance. The second resistance will be 127.07, which is the major horizontal resistance level. And the third resistance will be 128 even, which is the psychological spot.
Okay, so the big news coming out of Europe this afternoon is the European Central Bank interest rate news. So the European Central Bank is about to release these numbers concerning the interest rate decision later on today, and according to an average estimate of economists, the number for ECB interest rate decision news will remain this month at 0%.
The interest rate decision news is an important economic factor that may or may not bring stability to the country's economy. Usually, it depends upon the attitude of European Central Bank. If the ECB adopts a hawkish attitude towards the inflationary outlook of the country's economy and raises interest rates, it is better for the economic development. However, a dovish attitude with decreasing interest rate indicates a weakening economy. Generally speaking, higher interest rates suggest a bullish market for the Euro-Yen pair ahead and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, given the price movement of this pair over the past few days, selling the Euro-Yen pair around the current levels might yield some profits in short to medium term trading. And now let's move on to the US-Swiss analysis.
The US dollar inched higher against the Swiss Franc on Thursday, increasing the price of the US-Swiss pair to more than 0.88, even ahead of the release of US retail sales data.
Now currently this pair, the US-Swiss, is hovering around the 88.95 level. We have the following resistance levels. Looking at the chart once again, we can see the US-Swiss first resistance is at 90.13, which is a major horizontal resistance level. Second resistance level is at 90.53, which is the high of August 31st this year. Finally, the third resistance is at 91 even, the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement.
So on the downside, the US-Swiss pair may find a few support levels that help in the price to sustain at the given price tags. The first support will be 0.8867, which is the immediate trendline support. The second support will be 0.88 even, which is the psychological number. And the third support will be 0.8753, which is the horizontal support level.
So the big news for this one is the US retail sales news. The US Census Bureau anticipates releasing data for the US retail sales on Wednesday, December the 16th, which is next week. And according to economists' consensus, the US retail sales news reached a reading of negative 0.1% in November. However, the US retail sales reading remained at 0.3% in the previous month.
The US retail sales data reflects the total receipts of retail stores within the country. The data gets released each month in the form of a percentage. Changes in the percentage of retail sales reflect the spending patterns of consumers. Generally speaking, the high readings suggest a bullish market for the US-Swiss pair ahead and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, given the micro and macroeconomic outlook of this pair over the past few days, selling the US-Swiss pair around the current levels might be a worthwhile trading decision in the short to medium term. As always, when trading, trade with your head, not your heart. Only trade with what you can afford to lose, and always apply strict risk and money management techniques.
That's right. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and our Instagram at Forex Decoded. If you like our videos, don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
Bye.